Okay, gang, let's talk about today's assignment. So you are going to navigate your way through Schoology and you're going to click on that today's assignment button, that blue folder, and you're going to go to the first assignment. It'll be right at the top. Click on Fun with Font Styles. Here are the directions, but once you click on it, it will actually bring you to your assignment. Over here is your submission button right here. So yours will look a little different than mine. Here is the assignment you're going to be doing today on changing font styles. So you're going to click the link below, complete the assignment, and then submit the assignment when completed if you have time. Here's the link. Remember when you move that cursor over the link, it changes to a hand. Then you know that there's a link there. So I want you to click on it. Once you click on it, the first thing you're going to have to do is File, Make your own copy. So you go to File, Make a copy, and that will bring you to a copy of your assignment. So File, Make a copy. There we go. Click OK. Now you're all set and ready to go. So we are continuing to learn how to use the toolbar in Google Docs. To change the font, here is your font button right here. If you hover over it, it'll say font. And if you click on the little arrow, it shows you all of the fonts that you have in your bank of fonts. I have a lot more than you have, but we're going to change that today because you're going to add more fonts with this button down here. But some of the fonts are already up here in your font bank. If you have it in your font bank, you will not find it down here in more fonts. So let's go back to the assignment here. To change a font, you have to first click and highlight the word you want to change. You have to tell the computer what you want to do. So we're highlighting this Cambria, and we're going to tell it that we want to change this Arial font to Cambria. So we have to go down and we have to first see if it's in this bank. And yes, it is. I see it right there. So once I click on it, it'll automatically change the font to the correct style. Let's do the next one. Highlight it at the beginning. You can't start in the middle. You have to start either at the beginning or at the end. Then come up here, look in your bank of fonts first. It's in alphabetical order. So this is Droid Sans. Here it is. Click. And it automatically changes it to Droid Sans. And then go to the next one, Impact. So I know that all of my fonts are in my bank because once you add them, they're in there for life. Here's Impact. Click, and it automatically changes it. Unhighlight it. Go to the next one. But not all of your fonts are going to be in your bank. So you're going to have to go down. Here's Cherry Cream Soda right there, and it changes it. So when you get to a font that's not in your bank, you're going to have to actually go down here to More Fonts. And you're going to have to search through your More Fonts this way. These are the fonts that you already have. So if you have it over here in this section, you will not find it in this section. You can also click in up here and put down the first few letters and it will bring it to that font right there. So if I try clicking on that and hit OK, then it'll change that. So you are going to go through and change all of these fonts to the ones that it tells you to change it to. Some of them are kind of fun names like Creepster and Henny Penny. And some of them you're going to find already in this bank of fonts. And some of them you're going to have to go down to More Fonts. All right. Have fun, gang. It's really fun. Once you do this, you will have a lot more different fonts that you can choose from. All right. Thanks so much.